Hello crochet lovers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easiest hat with fur pom-pom. It is super easy, the easiest hat ever, and you can finish in a day. If you don't know how to crochet or if you know just half double crochet, you can do this hat easily. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. And I try to find easiest and fastest projects for you every week. Okay, let's start. I'm going to use this yarn, Himalaya Super Soft, and it's 200 grams, 328 meters and 359 yards. And I'm going to use 5mm crochet hook. We are going to start with slip knot. And I'm going to do my slip knot like this. I create a loop and pull up a loop. This is slip knot and chain 40. And actually it's child size, but my head is a little small, so I think it will fit me. I made chain 40 and we actually start like this, but I'm going to use the these loops. I'm going to use these loops, not V loops, okay? We are going to chain one and yarn over, and we are going to make half double crochets, okay? Half double crochet into the back loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, but back of the chains, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. This is half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. This is half double crochet in US terms, okay? And keep going until you've finished your all stitches, all 40 stitches, okay? Okay, this is my last loops and yarn over. Make 1 half double crochet into the last stitch and chain 1 and turn your work, yarn over and make 1 half double crochet into the very first stitch. We make normally in both loops, but we are going to make back loops only, okay? Yarn over and make 1 half double crochet into the very first stitch like this, and we are going to use back loops only. Yarn over and insert your hook into the back loop and make half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loops and pull through all loops together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loops only and yarn over, pull through all loops together. And repeat this pattern. Make half double crochets into the every stitch all the way. Okay, this is my last stitch, and please don't forget to make an half double crochet into the last stitch, and you can see the V stitches and make one double crochet into the back loop only. Chain one and turn your work. Yarn over and make half double crochet into the very first stitch. That's all. That's the only pattern you have to follow. Okay, make half double crochets into the every stitch, back loop only. And please always count your stitches. You have to have 40 stitches in every row, okay? And repeat this pattern to the end. I crocheted all along and I have a big rectangle, and I'm going to give you the measurements, okay? I made 42 centimeters and approximately 16 inches, okay? This is approximately a child size. But if you want bigger, you should go on crocheting as long as you want, okay? And we are going to join the two parts with a crochet hook, okay? It's a seamless hat. And fold the two pieces and insert your hook into the starting point. Pull the last loop into the first stitch like this and chain one. We have to join the two pieces together. We're going to insert our hooks, the first pieces and the last pieces back loops, okay? Insert your hook into the both loops and the second part's back loop, okay? And make slip stitch and join together. Insert your hook into the first pieces, both loops, and second pieces back loops and slip stitch. That's all. Insert your hook into the both loops and back loops only and slip stitch. Join the two pieces one by one stitches. This is seamless joining method. As you see, you didn't see any differences, but we are going to use the inner part, okay, not the outer part. As you see, you can't see any seam marks. And keep going until you finished your all stitches and join them together. Okay, I'm going to finish my joining. Insert your hook into the first pieces, both loops, and second piece back loops and slip stitch. And the last ones, both loops and back loops only, not two loops, okay? Just back loop only and slip stitch. Chain one and cut the yarn here. We need a little more yarn, so cut the yarn with a long tail. Okay, now we have to sew the top of the hat. Turn inside out and we are going to use this inner side, okay? And we are going to fold like this. And this is our hat's top part. And I'm going to use crochet hook again. But you can use also a tapestry needle, a yarn needle, and as you see this both loops, these V stitches, we are going to go inside these stitches and form the top of our hats. Insert the second stitches, all the stitches, and here you can see these loops, these V stitches, okay? Go in and out, all the stitches, and now pull the tail carefully and close the top of the hat. Insert your tail inside part and sew the tail a couple times to secure the top of the hat. Insert randomly in any stitches, left to right, right to left, it doesn't matter, just you should feel secure, okay, and close the top very carefully. And I promise it won't bother you. And now make a slip knot with the tail ends. Make a knot and tighten, and now you can cut the yarn here. We almost finished our hat, but before then sew the other end. Cut the remaining tail and fold like this. And I'm going to use fox fur pom-pom, but you can do your pom-pom yourself. But I like this pom-pom and I'm going to use this. Insert your tapestry needle, the top of the hat, and make a knot until you feel secure, and you can cut the tails. And that's it. Our hat is ready to wear. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Please share and like my videos if you like my videos. And see you next week and next episodes. Bye.